Hey guys, welcome back to my channel today and Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are having a great holiday season. In today's video, I am going to be doing my what I got for Christmas video. I am so excited, you guys, to share what I got. I feel like I got a lot of really nice high-end and luxury stuff, and I also have some different things as well that I normally don't really share on my channel. So without further ado, let's get on into it. Really quick, if you guys are new to my channel, hello, my name is Jenna. It is so nice to meet you. I chat about high-end and luxury makeup only on my channel. I am a high-end and luxury makeup reviewer, and I love talking about makeup and sharing hauls, sharing reviews and my thoughts, and just talking to you guys in the comments all about that. So if you love high-end makeup just like me, then I would love for you to consider subscribing to my channel. And now that all of that is out of the way, let's get on to what I got for Christmas this year. The first thing I got for Christmas this year is actually from one of my friends. She surprised me with this, and it was so nice of her to do that. I actually got this a little bit early, so I did already use one of these up, but this is a little set from LUSH. There are 4 bath bombs in here. I don't know what this set is called because I lost the lid. So I put the lid on the floor, and I guess it was just thrown out. But this is the first one here. It smells so nice. This definitely looks like it's going to have some pink and green in the water. There's some pink aspects to this bath bomb as well, so that is awesome. The next one is one that I have used before multiple times, and I absolutely love it. And this is the Golden Wonder, so I know what this one is called. And this one is a beautiful like yellow present. This one opens up in the water like Tiffany blue. It is so pretty. It just has that sparkle to the water as well. I know my skin always feels so nice and like just pampered when I'm having a bath with this one. So I'm so happy that this one is in here. And the last one is one that's also unfamiliar to me. And I'm just gonna pull it out here. A little bit tough because they're so like powdery. I'll do my best. So this is this next one here. This one smells, oh my goodness, like sweet, kind of like candy actually. Like it smells like sweet candy for sure. So this one is super nice as well. I am loving that. So thank you to my friend for giving that to me. There was also a blue one in here. I already used that one. It is a blue one with like a beautiful like royal blue color with the gold stars on it. So that one was really nice as well. So thank you so much for this little gift. The next thing I also got for Christmas is also from LUSH. This is from a family member. This is the Cinders Shower Gel. And this one is super cool. It's like cinnamon, clove, pumpkin seed oil. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it smells super good. So this is super nice as well. I love having LUSH shower gels in my shower. I use those primarily for showering and cleansing, whatever. The one I have in my shower right now is Sleepy. It is a gorgeous like purple, and it's super nice like lavender relaxing smell. This one is going to be super nice as well for after I use that one up. And this looks like it's the big container, so this is gonna last me a long time. The next thing I got for Christmas is from Glow Recipe. This is the Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask. And this is one I'm so excited to try out, you guys. It smells like clean smelling. So it's not fragrant or perfumey. It doesn't smell like avocado, although does avocado have a smell? I don't think so actually. Anyway, it looks like it's going to be very moisturizing, so I'm super happy with that. I have heard of some people actually reacting to this mask. I guess there's some ingredients in here that might not mix well with sensitive skin, so I'll keep you guys posted on this for sure in a future video. But I think I'm gonna do a spot test first and just make sure that it's okay for my skin before I move forward. The next product is also one that I got a little bit early, and this is from Tatcha. This is the Violet C Brightening Serum. I'm so excited to give this one a try, you guys. This one is one that I was gifted a little bit early, as I said, and it comes in a little pump like that. So I'm really excited to give this one a shot, you guys, especially for the brightening aspect, because I really hope it'll help attack the like old acne spots that I have on my skin. They're like hyperpigmentation spots that have just not gone away. So I hope that these lighten them up a little bit. I think that would be really awesome. It does say you're supposed to dispense 1 to 2 pumps and massage into clean, dry skin. It has Japanese angelica root and dual vitamin C for all skin types. So super excited about this one. I should do my videos in my pajamas all the time. I just feel so comfy right now. It's crazy. Anyways, the next thing I got for Christmas is from Chanel, and this is actually something that I have tried before and I really love it. This is the Natural Finish Loose Powder. The number that I use is number 30, natural, And this is one, like I said, it's definitely a favorite of mine. It's a very nice, like luminous powder. As you guys can see, you get quite a bit of it, which I really love. And it's got that luminosity to it. Like it just makes the skin, it's set, but it's luminous. So it's not gonna be like a super matte kind of finish. It's the natural finish, which is, you know, by name, makes sense. But this is one that just makes your skin look like skin. So it's not gonna matte it quite down and look kind of flat. It's gonna look like it's got some dimension. So really love this as well. So I'm really excited to have gotten this next couple of things. These were kind of like really sweet gifts. The first thing is from Goss. This is the eye set, and I actually do have this set already, and I love these brushes. So I'm super happy to have received another set of these. These are beautiful. They are really nice and they like blend the shadow for you, I feel like. And as a non-makeup artist, someone that is always learning different techniques and always learning how to blend my shadows better, this just makes my job way easier. So anyways, these are natural hair bristles. So they're really nice and they come in this really nice set. I'm gonna see if I can open it. There we go. It's not that easy. Okay, perfect. We do have all 5 of the brushes right here. So super, super nice. Again, I feel like these are very, very needed for every high-end makeup lover. I think these are some of the best buys I've had for sure. So getting a second set is awesome. The next thing I got, which is super exciting, is actually Goss's holiday brush. This is it this year, and I believe it's sold out singly on its own so quickly. So I'm so happy to have received this year. This is definitely something that I missed out on. I was like, shoot, I wish I had gotten this. And then sure enough, it was under the tree for me. So that is awesome. This is one that I'm really excited to use. I did see the video where Wayne was talking about this and how versatile it is, applying blush and bronzer and everything, like powder. So I'm really excited to give this a go, and I'll definitely let you guys know what I think of it. Okay, you guys, I got a number of fragrances this year for Christmas, which is too funny. I feel like it's because I shared my perfume collection video, so I put it out there, like all the perfumes that I did own. It was a bit of a longer video, but you guys seem to really like it, and I feel like my family and friends kind of picked up on the fact that perfume is something I absolutely love, and they were able to see the ones I had, so that was really awesome. So the next product is from Atelier Cologne. This is one I had my eye on, so I'm really happy that I get to test this one out at this small size. This is the, let me see, this is their new one. This is Pacific Lime. This looks like something that's gonna be way up my alley. I love like fresh and floral scents. I love like slightly sweet scents too, but nothing like crazy sweet. I just like very fresh smelling stuff. Let's just put it that way. So this one is what it comes in here. I don't believe this is a roller ball. Oh, thank goodness. I hate roller balls, I'm gonna be honest. This is a spray. So I'm going to just spray it on the back of my hand a little bit and let you guys know what I think. This smells exactly like a margarita or like a mojito on a beach. That's exactly what this smells like. It is so nice, you guys. Wow. Okay. Definitely going to be something I'm going to love, especially in the summer. And I am going to Mexico in January, so I'm really, really excited that I definitely bring this along. This is amazing. Oh, I just can't get over this. It smells so good. I don't know. Fresh, citrusy. It's just so, so good. I am so excited for this. The next 2 items are also fragrances, and they are both from the same brand. This is from Ouai, and these are 2 of her fragrances. I believe she released 4. These are North Bondi, and we have Melrose Place. So very, very excited. She did do I think it was a sample set last year, if I'm not mistaken, and they sold out so quickly. These are limited edition, so if you happen to be interested in these and they're still available, I would definitely suggest checking them out and getting them, because I don't know if she's going to restock them again until maybe the next year. So just so you guys know, the first one up is Melrose Place. It is super, super cute, really, really luxe, like simple, but I love it. And the cap is really interesting. It's kind of like magnetic. So you just like bring it really close. I'm going to see if I can show you. You bring it really close, and it just like snaps on like that. So it is really, really cool that way. This one, oh, that's nice. It's definitely a slight sweetness to it. It's not profoundly sweet though. Every single fragrance that she has released is also the same smell as some of her products. So I don't know what the products are that smell like Melrose Place, but these are super, super nice. So that is Melrose. Really excited about that. The next one is North Bondi, so I will show you guys. North Bondi is actually like a very slightly purple kind of color. It is so pretty, and Oh, this one's nice too. This one is definitely more of a fresh floral to it. It's not sweet really. Okay, it's like apple with a little bit of bergamot in there. I can definitely smell that. It's definitely like still sweet, but it's not as sweet as the Melrose one. The Melrose one is more of like a berry kind of sweetness to it. This one definitely has the sweetness of the apple, but like definitely not as profound of a sweetness as the Melrose one. Oh, but both smell so nice. So both of these look like they're going to be winners. Of course, I'll have to test them all on my skin and just wear them for the day and let you guys know, but so excited about those two. Okay, the last two items are both from my husband. The first thing is one that he got me for Christmas, and the second thing is one that he got me for 10,000 subscribers. So that was super sweet of him to think of me for doing like 2 gifts this year, which was really nice. The first one is for Christmas, and this is what it came in, you guys. So obviously we know what this is. Okay, he got me the full size of the Wood, Sage, and Sea Salt cologne. So this is one that is now like my most recent love from her line. I love Jo Malone's line. It is so good. I have a number of favorites, but this is one that has been a very like recent favorite from her line. I'm so excited, you guys. I never have pulled the trigger on a full bottle because they're just like pricey, but I'm so excited for this. This one smells like the fresh aquatics kind of smell. It's kind of what I'm getting. Let me see. I'm just trying to like sniff upward where the rest of the perfume is not. Ooh, I definitely smell the sage for sure. But this is one that, of course, fresh, so I'm going to absolutely love it, and I'm so happy he got it for me. This is just so sweet. The last present is the present that my husband got me for reaching the 10,000 subscriber goal that I had for my first year of YouTube, so I'm so excited. This is from Chanel, and you guys, I do know what this is because I gave him a little bit of a hint, but this is so pretty. Like, it's so nicely wrapped, and it's like beautifully well done. Let's see what this is. I haven't seen it since I told him what I wanted, so I feel like I know what it is, but I haven't seen it in person yet. So I wanted to show you guys my first impression on camera. Oh my gosh, okay. So it comes like this. So this is the inside of the box here. It says Chanel. Okay. Ah, I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Okay, this is it. This is the Chanel card holder in the new Tiffany blue color for their Cruise 2019 collection. This is something that I actually saw another YouTuber unbox probably a month or so ago, and I was like falling in love with it. I was like, this is what I want. If you guys don't already know, I love high-end and luxury makeup. I also love high-end and luxury just in general, and I do not own a Chanel like bag yet. I do have another card holder from Chanel. It is like a softer, I think, lambskin card holder, but this is one that I don't own yet. And this color, you guys, it's so pretty. Like, oh, that just speaks to me. I love this. It is so nice. The inside, oh, it's so nice. Okay. The inside looks like this. So this one is the caviar leather, I believe, because it's definitely much more of like, it's not as delicate as the lambskin. You open this up and then you have all of your card holder stuff in there. It says Chanel at the top here. Oh, it's just so pretty. So you guys, I don't know if I'm the only one, but I do have a number of luxury products that I feel very scared to use because I don't want them to get destroyed. This is kind of like one of those things. It's just like a gorgeous color. I don't want anything to happen to it, but I do want to have a goal to myself to actually use it because I do feel like that's kind of the whole point, is to use and enjoy. So I'm going to be doing that this year, but I am so happy. Like, this is so nice. Anyways, guys, that is it for my what I got for Christmas video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys have a great Christmas. Let me know down below what are things that you got for Christmas. I would love to know. And definitely don't forget to hit that big thumbs up button if you enjoyed this video, as well as don't forget to subscribe. I would love to see you guys again. And until my next one, guys, take care. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
You and me, everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us.